They are on the ground for less than 5 minutes, which is pretty impressive. Less than 5 minutes from the time the helicopter hits the pavement until they grab the patient and they're lifting off again. That's how we save lives doing this. The other firefighters have gotten Nicole out of the car, and they're going to bring her out here to the side of the road. The medical examiner's been called, and they will send a hearse to come pick up Nicole's body. I will tell you that all the firefighters that you see behind you, and all of the sheriff's deputies and the state troopers, that no matter how many times you see this happen, it affects you every time you see something like this happen. Somebody's life is lost. So the other patient has been loaded into the helicopter. One of the flight team has to do a walk around the helicopter to make sure everything is ready as a safety check, and now they're lifting off. Does a final check of all the instruments to make sure everything is a go. The door just closed on the back.